Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. This is the review lecture of computer networks guys. Okay, so today the date is 30th September. Okay, so 30th September I have just completed recording of computer networks guys. Okay, so I think we have discussed all the topics and we have discussed everything in detail guys. And we also discussed about the concepts of cryptography and all those things, but they are not in the syllabus. Okay, so the total course length is they are total 46 lectures and the total time is 9 hours guys. So few students will be like, okay my god, it's 9 hours, but every topic I have explained it clearly guys, like step by step, like exactly how it will work and everything I have explained. And similarly the PYQPs are 171 questions, but the time is only 11 hours guys. So if you observe, the rest subjects are having less PYQPs and they took more time. So here only you can observe. So these questions like from computer networks are really easy guys. So to be clear, 50% of the questions will be with respect to formulas. So you can directly solve them with the formulas. So we are having some formulas in CSMA, CD and all those things, in Ethernet, in IP like masking, subnet masking and all those things, in TCP IP. We are having those fragmentation problems. So these are commonly asked. So if you solve those, if you just remember those formulas, like around 5 to 10 formulas, that's it. You can get around 4 to 6 marks from this particular subject guys. Okay, and the rest of the 50% will be like so basically 50%, like 70% will be problems guys, and 20% will be your theoretical questions. So they'll give some random theoretical questions, and the rest 10% will be some logic based questions. Okay, yes. So I think this subject we have explained clearly, and this subject is not that much hard guys. Like everyone will be thinking computer networks is one of the hard subject, and based on the syllabus everyone will decide that this subject is hard, because in our GATE syllabus it is around 6 lines or 7 lines. I remember it. Okay, yes. So that is the main reason also why I started it and I ended it completely in the initial stages. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got an idea, right? Yes. So anyway, the students who are watching this particular course for the first time, like if you are learning computer networks for the first time, please, if you are having some time, please watch the lecture twice guys, because it will give you more clarity on the concepts, and please solve a PYQP only after completing the lecture, completing the whole series. Like basically some questions could be taking some concept from some other topic, some concept from some other topic. So that is the reason why it will be always better to complete the course completely, revise once, like you can directly revise from my PDF or some other PDF whichever you are having, and solve the PYQs. So basically you can take a piece of paper while I'm explaining you, before I start the problem you pause the video and try it. Okay, yes. So this is the whole subject of computer networks guys. So in the next lecture we are going to start the next subject, that is discrete mathematics. Okay, yes. So basically till now we are done with total 5 subjects guys. So the first subject we started with is data structures, then algorithms, then digital electronics, then we completed computer networks, then we completed computer organization, then we completed computer networks. So basically, to be clear, these are the 2 toughest subjects according to everyone, but I showed you that these 2 are easy, right? Yes. Okay, so anyway, let us continue in the next lecture with the discrete mathematics. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea about all the subject. So in the next lecture, let us start discrete mathematics. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.